Hello everyone, welcome to the HAP video. In today's video, we will design the worksheets required for the hiring system based on the solutions proposed in the previous video. First, we log into HAP and create a new application named Hiring System. After creation, all our data entry and management will be done within this application. Now let's focus first on how to create worksheets. A worksheet, as the core module of an application, can be understood figuratively as online Excel, specifically used for storing and managing various business data of an enterprise. Based on our understanding of the business requirements of the hiring system, we need to create two key worksheets. One is the candidate worksheet, and the other is the interview worksheet. Let's first look at how the candidate table is structured in Excel. Typically, we need to record information such as the candidate's name, date of birth, gender, email, and the position they are applying for. Now, let's enter the application to create a worksheet and name it Candidate. Upon creation, it will automatically redirect us to the Worksheet Design page. Here, we see the control area on the left, which provides various controls for us to choose from. We just need to select the appropriate controls, drag them to the middle form design area, and then set the properties of the controls, such as the name, width, and whether it is required or not. For example, to record the candidate's name, we can add a text control and modify its name to Candidate. Similarly, we add corresponding controls for other required fields and adjust their width and position to ensure the form is visually appealing and ease of use. This is the completed candidate worksheet. At this point, we can start entering the candidate's information. Click the Add Record button. We can manually input the candidate's information. For convenience, HAP also supports quickly entering multiple pieces of data by importing an Excel file. Here we try to import an Excel file, upload the file, and import the data. Refresh the page. We can see the imported candidates. Click any record, we can open its detail page to modify, delete, or perform other operations on the record. Additionally, we can select multiple records for batch editing, exporting, or deletion. Then, how do we get job seekers outside the organization to fill out this form? It's also quite simple. Click Edit Form, and then select Extend and Public Form. Enable the Public Form function. We can share the link or QR code with job seekers. They can scan the QR code or click the link to fill out the form without logging in. Next, let's create the second worksheet, the interview worksheet. When scheduling interviews, we usually need the information such as the candidate name, the position they are applying for, the interviewer, the start and end time of the interview, comments, and the interview result. Therefore, when designing the interview worksheet, we need to include these fields. Note that the comments and interview results are usually entered after the interview is over, so we can set these two fields to be hidden when adding a new record. Save the form settings. Let's go to Add Interview Records. We may find that some information, such as the candidate and the position they are applying for, actually already exists in the candidate worksheet. To simplify operations, we can relate the interview worksheet to the candidate worksheet. Go to the Edit page of the interview worksheet, select the relationship control, and then choose to relate to the candidate worksheet. Since each interview is usually for only one candidate, choose the single row. Now, we can delete the original candidate field. Additionally, information related to the candidate, such as gender and position, can also be displayed through the foreign field control. From the left, select a foreign field control, change its field name to gender, select the related candidate record. Among the fields to be displayed, we choose the gender field. For the field type, choose Display Only, because we only need to display the latest data when viewing the record and do not need to store data. Similarly, to display fields such as position and resume source through foreign fields. After setting up, save the form. Now, when we add interview records again, we can directly select the candidate and synchronously display their gender, position, and resume source. Through this method, we can greatly improve the efficiency and accuracy of data entry, saving a lot of time for subsequent interview scheduling. At this point, the design of the candidate and interview worksheets has been completed. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.